What were you practicing for? Did you join a competition or whatever?
Yes, I'm nonchalant before. I never, when I was in grade 7. Yes, I didn't like socializing.
Hey guys, welcome to Dagam Diaries podcast. So, I'm your host, Angelica, and now we're gonna talk about, what do you think, guys? What do you think? What do you think? So, we're gonna talk about high school life. So, I'm with Dee, Jel, Marjorie,
Right.
Angel! Angel! So, me muna. So, my high school life was like roller coaster. Roller coaster because sometimes fun, sometimes full of struggle.
Well, yeah. That's normal.
Yeah. Because way back then, I was STEM student.
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
I know the struggle, even though I'm not a
We're on
STEM
calculation.
Yeah. Yes. So, yeah. It's so hard kasi there's so many computations, so many numbers.
Matt is not my friend. Is it your friend? No. Is it your friend? My best friend. Oh my god.
No PE.
No PE.
So, yeah. So hard talaga. But
Go, go, go.
go go. but my memory, my best experience and best memory in high school was joining to cheer dance.
Oh,
cheer dance. Yes, cheer dance, but yes, cheer dance. So hard pala na cheer dance because I'm into
dancing.
yeah, I'm into dancing but hip hop.
Oh, so it's like not your genre.
Yeah. But I joined to cheer dance. When I joined, my experience was like fun, but so many struggles because we need to practice Monday to Sunday, so I need to sacrifice my time.
No, that's a lot.
Yes. I need to sacrifice my me time.
Is it full day?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Like straight?
Yeah. Sometimes we practice until night.
What were you practicing for? Did you join a competition or whatever?
Competition.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. But all the sacrifice, all the hard work paid off. Because
Did you guys won?
Yeah, we won. So yeah. So that's my best experience in high school. So who's next? Angel.
Yeah.
Go.
So, I didn't have any memorable experience when I was in high school because I am too shy before. No! I'm nonchalant before. I never, when I was in grade 7, yes, I didn't like socializing with other people that time.
Really?
I was bullied before kasi. Yeah, so that's why. But I will share this. I prepared my but I will but my mom will see this. So
Yeah.
yes. So one memorable experience for me when I was in high school was same with Angelica, participating in a dance competition. Guys, I love dancing. Yeah, my mom is a dancer kasi.
Oh.
Yes.
So it's for, yeah. Round of applause.
Ay. So, just what I've said, I used to be shy and never participated in school events for competitions or any competitions before. Yeah. My classmate teachers was encouraging me, but I always rejected it. But when I was in grade 9. Yes, grade 9. My friend invited me to join a dance group. And I was like hesitating that time if I would accept it or not. But I want to experience it. So I accepted.
You joined it.
Yes, I joined the dance group. That's dance group. And guys, it was the best moment of my life because when I joined that dance group, I experienced joining different competitions like the Baguio K-pop dance cover before 2019, and we won in Session Road, guys. We won. Yes. That's year 2019, and we won.
You were the champion?
Yes, we were the champion. And
Congratulations!
yes. And then that time I realized that I could participate in such competitions, and it really helped me, guys, to develop my communication skills with other people. Communication. So that's all.
Good.
So was like,
Hello.
uy.
So, the best memory I've had in high school was when I accepted their request for me to join our school newspaper. It's called Albertine, yeah. I became their journalist, their broadcaster. Yeah, I was the first one to try broadcasting in our school. I was the first one to start it. And I don't regret. I don't regret joining it. I don't regret saying yes to them. I don't regret it because same thing with you. It shaped me. It honed me into who I am now. And so yeah, I believe until now that was the best ever memory. That was the best ever decision I made way back in high school. Thank you. Next. Why are you hiding?
Come here. So that's your best memories.
For me, my best experience in high school was for you joining competition from dancing. For me, joining a competition in running. Running. I was a sporty.
She was a
Yeah. No, just from school competition, which was most exciting and most memorable thing for me last night too.
until now.
No, because I'm sick. I'm sick.
What do you mean?
I can't run anymore. So sad part.
Just try again.
No, no, I'm not gonna cry.
It's okay. At least
So
it's
next,
no regrets.
yes, no regrets at all. Well, for me, my best memories, or
should I say, experience in high school was when I joined, like every year, like we join street dancing for festival. So we compete, and then, although it's so hot, it's so hot down there at Isabela. So like, okay, we're like dying. Oo, because we get to expose in the sun and we're dancing. It's just like, although it's,
That's your festival?
yes, Hilal.
I tried to join,
Hilada
I
Festival.
tried to join like that in Panagbenga. It's so hard.
It's hard. It's hard. It's fun.
What's your festival in Isabela?
In Isabela, our festival is Bambanti Festival. But in our municipality, which is I mostly join, since it's the only thing that I can join, since for like, because my time.
Get the point.
That's it. Although we did not win, at least it was worth it, since I had fun like that. I made a lot of friends and I learned a lot. Many friends, but some plastic charot. Next.
one.
Well, for me, in my best experience in high school is the OGT.
Why OJT?
OGT because OGT immersion. It's the same thing. Because as a TVL cookery student before, yes, there's nothing else to do. Because we're just gonna go to school, ride jeepney and go to the training session in Baguio. And then we're just gonna cook. Yes. Cook appetizer to dessert.
Did you eat all those foods? Can you cook for us? Can you give us an example
Of
those dishes that you guys cooked, that you guys made?
for the appetizer, we cook onion rings,
Oh, I love
chicken lollipops.
chicken lollipop
Yes.
for appetizer.
Yes.
Wow!
That was.
What appetizers are just like salad,
Mm.
vegetable salad.
And for the main dish, we cook chicken teriyaki, Java with Java rice, and then for the side dish, sauteed beans. Yes.
Oh, okay, well.
And for the dessert, we made
Ice cream?
Hi.
Strawberry pie. Strawberry for what kind of pastry? Or is it a pastry? Ice cream.
no, it's shake.
Oh, yeah, it's a pastry. Oh,
Mm.
what kind of cake?
Shake.
Oh my god! I'm sorry, I made mistakes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't cancel me.
Shake, like different flavors of shake.
Oh, yummy.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
So guys, that's all. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy our podcast. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And bye. Bye. Ano?